Expect 20-minute delays 10 westbound from the 2nd split to downtown, 30-minute delays 10 westbound from Bullitt to Canal. Also expect 10-minute delays 10 eastbound from Clearview to the Superdome exit, 15-minute delays 10 eastbound from Kenner to the 16th split, 30-minute delays 10 eastbound from Gonzales to La Place, and on the causeway expect 25-minute delays going to the North Shore and coming into the city. I'm Ed Robinson, and this has been your Right Now Traffic.
Sponsored by CC's. Now at CC's, you can order your own personal pizza. There's thousands of ways to customize it your way, including every buffet. Just $5 and change at CC's. Dining only. Prices may vary. Restrictions apply.
You know the feeling you get when you win at the Fairgrounds Racecourse and Slots, where the slots get hot and the free drinks come ice cold. All the newest hottest slots getting you in the game. New members are guaranteed $10 and up to $1,000 in free play. Join us Fridays through March 30th from 2 to 8 p.m. to win a share of $39,000 during our free play frenzy.
What you want, Dad?
Heart-pounding thoroughbred racing continues through March 31st. Fairgrounds Racecourse and Slots, where playing and winning feels good. Gambling problem? Call 877-770-STOP.
This is Fred with eMediaGC.com. It's a new year. Try a new way to promote your business or talent with eMediaGC.com. Our e-backpack street teams and email blast services are just a few of the new and innovative promotional tools. eMediaGC.com can help you reach millions online and offline at the same time. It's a new year. Try a new way to promote. Call 225-384-6131.
I'm sorry, she wanted a cappuccino? That's the hot one?
Sign your child up for the Hope Community Resource Center.
We have to say hot up. Dad, if you don't stop, I'm gonna pop you.
Stop acting like that.
When you're hiring, you need qualified candidates fast. It can be hard to know where to find them. More than 3 million businesses use Indeed.com. It's number one website. When you need entry-level or highly skilled employees, Indeed helps you find great talent to make the right hire. Anyone from new users a $50 credit. Use our first job post premium visibility as a sponsored job. Redeem this offer at Indeed.com/promo. That's Indeed.com/promo. Terms, conditions, and quality standards apply.
What you sitting there looking like that for?
I guess that's why that lady said she be late all the time. Messing up her drink.
She be having hers on her. She said,
They still mess it up.
yeah, that's what she said. She said, nah, I send it to them before I even get there. And when I get there, they don't have it.
She be ready.
Talking about that's all I see on my debit card. Starbucks, Starbucks. They sell that stuff in the store. But I guess it ain't Starbucks coffee.
You need a baker. You gotta have a...
She like the house.
You about to look online on YouTube to see how to make it. They'll show you. Somebody will show you.
Take 30 plus an extra 15% off blenders, juicers, and coffee makers.
They call them a barista.
Trade 13-piece cookware.
People who make coffee, that's what they call barista. Thank you. The money just for that.
No, then they don't put nothing in there.
Like what?
It's like foam right there, but then it's like half a cup. I hate that.
Get on.
You felt it? Got more foam than anything. Ooh, we ain't been to Lowe's in a while.
I want to get some money, man. I got so much stuff.
But we could get you a shelf. You really need a shelf in the bathroom. I went in your bathroom, I mopped it, and I cleaned around the sink. And it got all that stuff that's around there. All the tissue papers.
Make it easy.
Oh, that's for a shit. Oh, Lord. Look at that. I said he need a shelf in here, man. This is
I need a few
ridiculous.
shells in there.
At least something to sit the tissue paper and stuff on top. You coming up the wrong way.
I ain't got no parking space. I ain't parking on that side.
You coming up the wrong way.
Let me get that burger.
You sure you want to go to the shelf?